Scott and Maureen have gone away to England, but the box office is still selling tickets for Gideon's Knot. And Scott and Maureen left Kylie in charge, our box office manager. She's great. She's been here a while. She really knows how to be a good leader, negotiating things for people, and we're still answering the phone. So if you call the box office, we can set up tickets for you. I'm doing that and answering emails and cleaning the office and making sure everything's organized, making Kylie's morning tea, being volunteers, feeding her cat, because Kylie's managing. She's managing everything, so she's in charge while Scott and Maureen are away, and it's great.
Wednesday, March 12th? Yes, I do believe we still have tickets available. And I'm even willing to give a 15% discount. How much would that be? I'm willing to make all tickets $20 for Wednesday, March 12th.
Scheduling events, making sure that Kylie's car is cleaned, her mid-morning cookie snack. The couches have to be set up for nap time and hot lava time.